Determining eligibility for dual citizenship depends on the specific laws and regulations of the countries involved. So here are some general considerations. Birthright citizenship. Some countries grant citizenship to individuals born within their borders regardless of the parent's status. Descent or ancestry. Countries like Italy offer citizenship if you can prove lineage from an Italian parent, grandparent, or grandparent who did not renounce their Italian citizenship. Marriage. Marrying a citizen of another country may make you eligible for dual citizenship. Naturalization. After living in a country for a certain number of years, you may be eligible to apply for citizenship. Investment. Some countries offer citizenship in exchange for significant financial investment. Not all countries recognize dual citizenship. Therefore, it's important to contact the respective country's embassy or consulate to find out if they recognize dual citizenship, as requirements can vary greatly between countries and over time.